Hello, good noon to one and all. Myself Husna Patel Yusuf. I am from Raja Sambhaji Maharaj B.Ed College, first year student. Today I am going to express my thought and view by my speech. My subject is the private coaching classes and the poor financial condition of the parents and the mentally pressure of the student also. We all know the education's value. The man without education is shed better than the animal. We all know the worthfulness of education. Now we are all know the lots of parents sending their student or child to the private coaching classes for the education. The first reason is that they don't have a time for their children because they are both of a working parents. Second one, they don't have a proper education for guide to their child, so they are sending to there. Good, if you have good financial condition, so you can. But the main problem is occurs when the parents don't have a good financial condition for paying the high amount of the tuition classes fees. They are doing a lots of hard work outside and they pay a 1/4 of their income for the child education. First they pay the school fees, then the private coaching classes fees, and then another activities. So how can they survive? If you have the good condition, don't have any problem, but if you don't have, so please don't do. After paying a lots of high amount of the fees of the coaching classes, the quality education are not provided. I'm not telling and I'm not having any issue about that. I'm telling not so, but some classes are not giving up quality education after paying the all the fees of the tuition classes. So if you have, so no problem, but you don't have, so there is a lots of pressure creating on the parents' mind. And second one, the student mind pressure also, because they don't have a time to play. They first going to school, then homework, then activity, so they don't have any time for the physical growth, physical games. So tell to your student to sit at the home. I have a good option for that. Take some help from the internet. Now there are a lots of study material, education clips by a great teachers, so student can see and take a help from them. Now so it is the best option. Save time, save money, save a ready-made material given by the any outer sources. So this is the best option. I hope you understand my point, my criteria, my views. I'm not having any issue about the coaching classes. I'm not telling about the all the classes. I just have that who's the parents have the some financial condition. So don't worry, you have the best option, the internet. Use to them, and please give the time to children to play outside for their physical growth also. Now I rest my point. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.
आपल्या समाज टीव्हीला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबा.